Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the H11 Smartwatch. It is a sport smartwatch with a rugged outdoor style design. Okay, so on this video we are going to have a demo on one of its smart feature, and that is the Bluetooth music control. So this smartwatch do have a Bluetooth music control. Let me show it to you. As you can see here, we have an icon for the Bluetooth music control. So we are going to test that and see if it works with popular applications. So we do have here the built-in music player, Spotify, YouTube, and the YouTube music. So we will check the Bluetooth music control and see if it works with our smartphone. Again, if you have any questions regarding this video tutorial or video demo for the Bluetooth music control of the H11 smartwatch, drop a comment below. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the Bluetooth music control function. Here on the support app, it is using the Lexus Fit app. Seems like there's no settings for the Bluetooth music control. Okay, just like any other wearable, I guess all you have to do is just open the smartwatch and of course the Bluetooth music control function. Okay, so let's open our built-in music player here. So we have at least 4 audio here. So let's check. Go to the music control. Let's select this one. Let's see. Okay, it's already playing. It seems like, let's see if we do have a volume adjustment. So the sound is coming on the smartwatch. It is using the speaker of the smartwatch. Next. The speaker is not that really loud, but you can still listen to it. Okay, it's audible. Stop. Go back. Can we go back? No. Yes, you can go back. Play. As you can see here, we do have the title of this song, which is very good. We do have a go forward and backward, and at the same time we do have a volume control. So it works with our built-in music player here. Okay, if I change the song here, okay, it also changes here on the smartwatch and vice versa. Okay, so it works with our built-in music player. We will mute the sound here as we will be using Spotify. I want to avoid any copyright issues. Let's open the Spotify. Let's see if this will automatically change. I will pick a song here. Let's go with the Taylor Swift. And let's adjust the settings here for the screen display. General display. I'll pick 60 seconds. Okay, go back to the music control. Let's see. Blank space. Yes, it works with Spotify. Play. Next. As you can see here, stop. Next. Okay, next song. Next song. Next. Stop. Okay, so it works with the Spotify application. You can see the title here, but you cannot see the singer, the name of the singer. We have the title. You can play, pause, go forward, and adjust the volume. Okay, next let's have the YouTube app. I guess with this app, we can now listen to the sound. Let's try the Ancient Mysteries. Okay, we're good. Stop. Play. Next. Next. Okay, it's still loading. Next. Oh wait, let's just go back.
Everybody knows that secrets and intrigue.
Go back.
On February 16th.
Stop. Okay, so it works with the YouTube app. You can go forward, go backward, play, and pause the video. Okay, so far so good with the H11 smartwatch. Okay, although it has a very affordable price, it has a lot of functionalities and it works. Okay, next let's try this one, a YouTube Music. Play. As you can see, it works. Next song, Imagine. Next. Okay, stop. Play. Play. Stop. Next song. Okay, next song. Go back. Stop. Go back. It's a bit delayed for some due to the internet connection, but so far it works, as you can see here. Okay, so that's it for the YouTube Music. So it works with the built-in music player. It works with the Spotify account or Spotify app, YouTube, and YouTube Music. And the sound is coming here on the smartwatch, although the volume is not that loud compared to other wearable. So that's it for our video demo for the Bluetooth music control function. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. This is the H11 Smartwatch, outdoor style smartwatch demo for the Bluetooth music control function. Bye!